Larry Gladish,
Who do you work for?
Mesa Police Department.
Back in June, just 2008, did you work for the Mesa Police Department?
Yes, I did.
What area?
I was in our homicide unit.
And did you have occasion to assist in the investigation involving the killing of Travis Alexander?
Yes, I did.
And specifically with regard to that, in his telephone, were you tasked or were you assigned to do something with regard to obtaining his voicemail messages from his telephone?
Yes, I was.
And what's the process that you undertook?
I wrote a court order to have the PIN number changed to his voicemail account so I could access the voicemail account.
And what date was that?
That would be June 25th, 2008.
And after that, what did you do? How were you able to access it?
I called the voicemail from my desk phone and I recorded the voicemail messages that were on his account.
Take a look at Exhibit 366. You familiar with this?
Yes, I am.
What are those 2 pages?
They're called detail records.
For what telephone number?
831-402-1901.
You know the name of the person that is associated with that, right?
Yes, I do.
And what's the name that you believe is associated with that number?
Jodi Arias.
And with regard to that particular number and the call log that's involved, was there a call that you were interested in that was on June 4th, 2008 at 11:48 in the evening?
Directed this point, we approach.
With regard to that particular call, did that involve 831-402-1901?
Yes.
And with regard to that call, was there a voicemail that you were able to obtain that was associated with that?
Yes.
Prior to coming to court, did you have occasion to listen to Exhibit 365?
Yes, I did.
And is that the voicemail that was associated with that call that we just referenced?
Yes, sir.
I move for the admission of Exhibit 365.
No objection.
365 is admitted.
Midnight. Anyway, right about the time you're starting to gear up. I know Leslie called you, so I already talked to her, so you can call her back if you want, but it's not necessary. My phone died, so I wasn't getting back to anybody. And what else? Oh, and I drove 100 miles in the wrong direction, over 100 miles, thank you very much. So yeah, remember New Mexico? It was a lot like that, only you weren't here to prevent me from going into the 3 digits, so fun. Tell you all about that later. Also, we were talking about, when we were talking about your upcoming travels my way, I was looking at the May calendar, so I'm all confused. But Heather and I are going to see Othello on July 1st, and we would love for you to accompany us. I don't know when Team Freedom's event is, though, but, you know, it's on the list, so we could do Shakespeare, Crater Lake, and the coast, so if you can make it. If not, we'll just do the coast in Crater Lake. But let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
End of message. To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. Message will be saved for 21.
With regard to this particular message and reviewing those telephone records that you have in front of you, were you able to determine where the caller was when this call was placed?
The caller would have been about 45 miles north of Kingman and about 27 miles, which is about 27 miles south of the Nevada border, approximately.
I don't have any